Hey people, what's good? Right, I'm back with another unboxing courtesy of my family from Footshop, looking at all the way in Eastern Europe and doing some fantastic things. We're going to be checking out two different versions of the Nike Air Max. First up, the Air Max BW, as designed by the legendary Tinker Hatfield all the way back in 1991, so the shoe is seeing its 30th anniversary, and then flipping it with the Air Max 95 Comet Red, now referred to as the Japan, one of the OG colours, as designed by the legendary designer Sergio Lozano. Okay, right, to the matters at hand. We've got these bad boys here, which are the Persian BWs. And check out how they brought the original box back as well. I love that. I just love those details. It makes all the difference. Right, let's check out these beauties. Oh yeah. Just look at that silhouette, that aggressive profile, that aggressive shape, and the paneling as well. It just looks, fast. It just looks like if you're in these, you're going to be having speed. That's what it is. You could be walking literally like, you could be walking backwards and you still be looking like you're going fast. That's what I love about this shoe. Now, this version of the BW, to celebrate its 30th anniversary, has been recrafted to its original specifications. So the profile, the colors, everything are so on point. But the one thing that is a little bit, different, I haven't got an original pair to compare to, because my one's long bit the dust. But I do believe the BW, which this stands for, is big window. I do believe the Air Max Bowl was actually smaller than the OGs, but that's also the case for the Air Max 95s that we're going to check out. But just look at that. The Persian BW, for me, one of the most iconic and all-time beautiful running silhouettes. Seriously, this is a real bad boy shoe. Okay, and then we're going to take it, right, to the Air Max 95, as designed by Sergio Lozano, as I said. Now that, as we all know, was such a groundbreaking and revolutionary shoe. The Comet Red version, I tell you what, right, if Michael Jordan was an athlete, these are the colours he'd be wearing. Why? Because they're the Chicago colours, you see, that's the thing. And I don't know how many people recognise that, but I think it's only due that these shoes in this execution get their props. Just look at that. These are cold. Now, the difference between these and the OGs, these ones are a canvas version. They got a Cordura textile upper. But the thing is, they still look absolutely magnificent. Of course, the air bubbles are slightly smaller than 25 PSI original versions from way back when, but still, these are cold neck snappers indeed. And as you can see, this shoe, which takes its inspiration from anatomical elements of the human body, still is one of those shoes that looks future to this day, but looks so superb. Now, which one are you going to choose out of the two? Well, you can do what I do and just go for both of them, really. Do you know what I mean? If you're blessed enough. But when it comes down to the profile, I mean, seriously, both of these beauties are absolutely superb and should really be in every one of your wardrobes, That's the thing. But yeah, got to shout out my Footshop fan for looking out once again, because without your support, we wouldn't be having this. And to you people out there locked in, and if you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe below, all right? But anyways, once again, stay healthy, all right? One love and peace.